Hello viewers, welcome to my channel World Beauty Fashion Trends. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel. You may hold my hand for a while, but you hold my heart forever. So many reasons are there to love you. Your cute smile, your sweet laugh, your innocence and your kind heart makes me love you. Calling me cute is nice, calling me hot is great, but calling me yours is all I want. You are cute, can I keep you? Your smile is literally the cutest thing I have ever seen in my life. Every moment I spend with you is like a beautiful dream come true. You are that part of me I will always need. I just wanna see you, hold you, hug you, touch you, kiss you, cuddle you, love you. I promise that I will make you feel wanted, loved and needed every single day. I don't have much to offer, but I promise you can have the best of me. Love is cute when it is new, but love is most beautiful when it lasts. You are the only person with the ability to make me smile without even trying. I wanna be your last kiss, last love and last everything. For every day I miss you, for every hour I need you, for every minute I feel you, for every second I want you, forever I love you. The moment when he rolls over, puts his arm around me and pulls me closer in his sleep, this makes my life complete. If you do dream of me, dream of my heart. Thank you for coming into my life. Thank you for making me smile like crazy. Thank you for making me happy. My love for you has no expiration date. When I looked into your eyes, I didn't see just you. I saw my today, my tomorrow and my future for the rest of my life. Thanks for watch my video.